Now, Kyle, if you will take Gina's ring and place it on her ring finger to seal your commitment of love, and then repeat after me. Gina, with this ring,
Gina, with this ring,
I commit to you.
I commit to you.
As this ring encircles your finger,
As this ring encircles your finger,
always be reminded,
always be reminded,
my love encircles your heart.
my love encircles your heart.
Now, Gina, if you'll take Kyle's ring and place it on his ring finger, and also repeat after me. Kyle, with this ring,
Kyle, with this ring,
I commit to you.
I commit to you.
As this ring encircles your finger,
As this ring encircles your finger,
always be reminded,
always be reminded,
my love encircles your heart.
my love encircles your heart.
What God has joined together, let no man put asunder. Amen. Kyle, you may kiss your beautiful bride. Turn that way. It is my privilege to present to you for the very first time Mr. and Mrs. Cockrell.
At this time, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to ask everyone to please rise. It gives me great pleasure to introduce to everyone here for the very first time, anywhere, as husband and wife, let's have a big warm welcome for the brand new Mr. and Mrs. Cockrell. Give it up. That's it. Make some noise for the bride and groom, ladies and gentlemen.
I know the two of you will have decades of life together. Just take each day and cherish your time and love for one another. Put your family first, your jobs and hobbies second, and your love will grow stronger each and every day for the rest of your lives. Now, if everyone could raise their glass and join me in congratulating the bride and groom. Here's to you both, Gina and Kyle, on this day for your love to grow stronger.